Hello everyone. Hello language enthusiast. Welcome to today's session. In this video, we will cover important one-word substitution that are frequently asked in SSC, bank, UPSC, NDA, BPSC, UPPCS and other competitive exams. These small shortcuts will help you strengthen your vocabulary, save time in exams and boost your overall English score. So let's get started and learn how to express more using fewer words. A person phrase is given, a person who writes poem, poet, a place where books are kept, library, a person who looks on the bright side of things, optimist, a person who does not believe in God, atheist, a speech made without preparation, extempore, a person who is skilled in foreign language, linguist. A large scale departure of people, exodus. A person who loves his country, patriot. A person who compiles a dictionary, lexicographer. A person who is between 70 and 79 years old, septuagenarian. A person who eat animals, flesh. A person who eats animal flesh, cannibal. A handwriting that cannot be read. A handwriting that cannot be read, illegible. Anarchist, one who is out to destroy the government. So we are going to learn one word substitution from alphabet A to Z. Anarchist, one who is out to destroy the government. Anatomy, the science of the structure of human body. Anarchist, one who is out to destroy the government. Anatomy, the science of structure of the human body. Anesthetic, a medicine that produces insensitivity before any surgery. Antidote, a medicine to counteract poison, like snake poison, etc. Antiquarian, one who studies things of the past. Antiquarian, one who studies things of the past. Apotheosis, the highest point of development or elevation of divine status. Apotheosis, the highest point of development or elevation to divine status. Aristocracy, government by the nobility. Asceticism, severe self-discipline and abstention from indulgence. Astronomy, the study of stars. Atheist, one who does not believe in God. Atheist, one who does not believe in God. Barrack, a building for lodging of oldies. Barrack, a building for home of old people or for lodging of oldies. Biology, the study of biological life, physical life. Botany, the study of plants. Brevity, concise or brief expression. Brevity, concise or brief expression. Brewery, a factory for manufacturing beer. Bunting, a collection of flags. Calligraphy, the art of beautiful handwriting. Cannibal, one who eats human flesh, which we learned in the previous slide also. Carcass, the dead body of an animal. Casino, a place with gambling tables. Cemetery, a place where dead bodies are buried. Cemetery, a place where dead bodies are buried. Centenarians, one who is more than 100 years old. One who is more than 100 years old. Centenarian. Chromatics, the science of colors. Chroma means color. Cogitation, deep thinking, the action of thinking deeply about something. Confabulation, conversation or discussion. Confabulation, conversation or discussion. Confectioner, one who sells sweets and pastries. Connoisseur, one who has a special skill in judging art, music, etc. Connoisseur, one who has a special skill in judging art, music. Constellation, a number of stars grouped together. Consternation, feeling of anxiety or dismay. Consternation, feeling of anxiety or dismay. Contemplation, deep thinking, deep thought, or deep reflection. Contemplation. Contemporary, those who live at the same time. Contemporary, those who live at the same time. Continue, to keep going or carry on. Continue, to keep going or carry on. Contumacy, willful disobedience or resistance to authority. Contumacy means willful disobedience or resistance to authority. Cosmopolitans, present everywhere. One for whom the world is a home. Cosmopolitans, one for whom the world is a home. Things which are present everywhere in the world. Crew, a number of sailors working on a sea. Delirium, state of confusion and disorientation. Delirium, a state of confusion and disorientation. Diversity, variety of range of differences. Diversity means variety or range of differences, many differences. Drawer, the house of an Arab. Drawer, one who deals in cattle. Dover, the house of an Arab. Drover, one who deals in cattle. Drover, one who deals in cattle. Dystopia, a place thought of as of the opposite of utopia. Effrontery, shameless or impudent behavior, foolish behavior. Effrontery, shameless, foolish or imprudent behavior. Elaboration, detailed and thorough explanation or expansion. Elaboration means detailed explanation, thorough explanation or expansion of any thought or things. Elocution, the art of effective speaking. Elocution, the art of effective speaking, a good orator. Encumbrance, burden or obstacle. Encumbrance, burden or obstacle or hindrance. Endurance, ability to withstand hardship or pain. Endurance, ability to withstand hardship or pain. Engendering, causing or giving rise to. Engendering, causing or giving rise to something. Enmity, a state of deep-stated ill will or hostility. Opposite of friendship. Enmity. Epicure, a one who is devoted to the pleasure of eating and drinking. Epicure, a person who is devoted to the pleasure of eating and drinking. Next meaning of epicure, the another meaning of epicure, one who is given to the pleasure of the flesh. Epitaph, an inscription on a tomb. Epitaph, an inscription on a tomb. Escapade, a reckless, careless adventure or wild prank. Escapade, a reckless adventure or wild prank. Esteem, respect and admiration for a person. Esteem, respect and admiration for a person. Ethos, set of moral values or beliefs that guides behaviors. Etymology, the study of origin and history of words. Etymo means words. The study of the origin of words, history of words. Explication, the act of explaining or analyzing something in detail. If you are explaining something in detail, that is an explication or analyzing something in detail. Exultation, feeling of triumphant elation or jubilation, feeling of success, feeling of triumphant elation or jubilation. Falsification, false means deceiving something, the act of altering or changing something in order to deceive. Falsification, false. Fatuousness, foolishness, stupidity. Fealty, loyalty, honesty, or allegiance to a superior or leader. Ferocity, extreme fierceness or violence, extreme anger. Ferocity, extreme fierceness, extreme anger, violence, extreme violence, extreme fierceness, ferocity, extreme anger, fidelity, faithfulness, or loyalty. Fleet, a number of sheep. Flock, a number of sheep. Fulsomeness, excessive flattery or insincere praise, false praise. Fulsomeness, excessive flattery or insincere false praise. Hegemony, leadership or dominance over a particular group or region. Herbarium, a place for the collection of dried plants, dried leaves. Herbarium. Heretic, one who acts against religion. Heretic, one who acts against religion. Homily, religious discourse or sermon. Homily, religious discourse or sermon. Homogeneity means uniform, similar in nature. The quality of being uniform or similar or equal in nature. Humanitarians, one who is sympathetic to mankind. Humanitarian means sympathetic to mankind. Hypocrite, one who pretends to be what he is not. Pretending wrong. Hypocrites, one who pretends to be what he is not. Iconoclast, one who breaks image or idols. Iconoclast, one who breaks images or idols. Igloo, the house of an Eskimo. Illiterate, one who cannot read and write. Immigrant, one who settles in another country. Immortality, state of living forever. Immune, free from any type of infection. Impudence, insolence, or rudeness. Incessancy, continuation without pause or interruption. Incessancy, continuity without pause or interruption. Incoherence, lack of clarity or lack of logic or lack of clear meaning. Incoherence. Incomprehension, the state of not understanding something, not able to understand something. Incomprehension. Inebriation, a state of being drunk or intoxicated. Inebriation, state of being drunk or intoxicated. Infirmity, physical or mental weakness or illness. Iniquity, immoral or unfair behavior. Iniquity means immoral, unfair behavior. Insolence, rude and disrespectful behavior. That person is rude and the behavior is disrespectful. We have to use the word insolence. Insolence. And for immoral or unfair behavior, iniquity. Iniquity. Immoral or unfair behavior. Insolence, rude behavior. Disrespectful behavior. Jockey, a professional riders in horse races. Jockey. Jocularity, humorous or playful behavior. Jocularity means humorous behavior, playful behavior. Jocularity means is joking. Humorous behavior, playful behavior. Judiciousness, showing good judgment or sense. Judiciousness, showing good judgment or sense. Kleptomaniac, one who has an irresistible tendency to steal. Kleptomaniac, one who has an irresistible tendency to steal. Lapidary, one who cuts precious stones. Lapidary, person who cuts precious stones. Stone cutter. Lecher, a man addicted to lewdness. Lecher, a man addicted to lewdness. Lechery, excessive or offensive sexual desire. Lecher and lechery, same thing. Legitimacy, validity of authority. Legitimacy, validity of authority. Lexicographer, one who compiles a dictionary. Lexicographer, one who compiles a dictionary. Lionization, process of treating someone as a celebrity or hero. Lionization, treating someone as a celebrity or hero. Maliciousness, desire to harm or cause pain to others. So it is a wrong behavior of person if a person is having maliciousness. Means desire to harm or cause pain to others. Maliciousness. Manifestation, clear or obvious display or clear demonstration. Martyrdom, suffering or death for a cause or belief. Mediation, intervention to resolve a dispute. Mediation means there is an intervention to resolve any fight or to resolve any dispute, any conflict. Melancholy, sad, depression, a feeling of sadness or depression. Melancholy, a person is in melancholy means a person is in sadness or depression. Metamorphosis means there is some drastic changes happen. Process of transformation or change. Unusual change. Drastic change. Metamorphosis. Mimic, one who imitates the voice and gesture of another. Mimic. Copy the voice and gesture of another. Mint, a place where money is coined. Not relate mint with the mint plant. Mint, a place where money is coined. Miracle, it's something which is unexpected event happened. Remarkable and unexpected event attributed to divine intervention. With the God grace, with the God's grace. Miracle. Misanthrope, one who hates mankind. Misanthrope who hates mankind. Monasticism, the practice of living as a monk or nun in a religious community. Monasticism, the practice of living as a monk or nun in a religious community. Monasticism. Morgue, a place where dead bodies are kept for identification. Moroseness, a sullen and ill-tempered disposition or behavior. Bad behavior, moroseness, a sullen and ill-tempered bad behavior, ill-tempered disposition. Mortuary, a place where dead bodies are kept. Morgue means a place where dead bodies are kept for identification, or mortuary, a place where dead bodies are kept. For identification, morgue and mortuary, dead bodies are kept. Mournfulness, feeling or expressing sadness. Mourning, crying. Multifariousness, great, multi means many. Fariousness means variety. Great variety. Different range. diverse range of types of different things. Multifariousness, great variety. Modernist tendency towards killing. Nationalism, patriotic sentiments or patriotic principles. Nemesis, rival or opponent that is difficult to defeat. Rival or opponent that is difficult to defeat are nemesis. Nemesis. Niceness, the quality of being pleasant, friendly, and likable. Niceness. Nonsense, words or ideas that are absurd or meaningless. Stupidity. Nonsense. Notoriety, state of being famous for a bad quality or deed. State of being famous, being famous for a bad quality because of bad quality or bad deed. Notoriety. Novice, one who is new to a profession. If a person is going to work first time in any company or any institution, the person is said to be novice because he is new to that profession. Nudity, the state of being naked. Octogenarian, one who is 80 years old. Octo means 80. Oculist, one who cures eye diseases. Oculist, a doctor who treats eye problems, eye diseases. Oligarchy, government by a few. Oligarchy, which is governed by a few people. Omnipotent, potent means powerful. One who is omni means all. Omni, one who is all powerful, omnipotent. All powerful. So in any family, the father is omnipotent, all powerful. Omnipresent, one who is present everywhere, just like microorganism who is present everywhere, omnipresent. Omniscience, all knowingness, who is knowing everything, omniscience. All knowingness, knowledgeable. Omniscient, one who knows everything, omniscient. Opprobrium, harsh criticism or public disgrace. Opprobrium means your friend is opprobrium towards you, means doing harsh criticism about you. Opprobrium, harsh criticism or public disgrace. Opprobrium. Optimist, one who is always positive, one who always looks at the bright side of things. Optimist saying, one who looks at the bright side or positive side of things. And pessimist means always look at the negative side of things. Opulence, wealth and abundance. Opulence means wealth and abundance. Affluent, rich. Ornithology, ornitho means birds. Ology means study. Orology, logy means study, and oro means mountains, the study of mountains. Orphanage, a place where orphans are housed. Paleography, the study of ancient writing. Paleo means ancient. Graphy means writing. Panacea, a cure for all diseases. Mother's love is panacea for all problems. Panacea, a cure for all diseases. Parameter, a limit or boundary. Parasite, one that lives on others. Parasite means one who is totally dependent on others, that lives on others. Patience, ability to endure difficulties without complaint. Pedestrian, one who walks on foot. Penance, self-punishment for doing wrongdoing or sin. Penance means giving self-punishment because of you have done something wrong or sin. Penance. Penury, extreme poverty. Extreme poverty is known as a penury. Penury, extreme poverty. Perception, interpretation or understanding of sensory information. With the help of you are understanding something with the help of sensory organs, sensory information. State of being correct. Perfection, a state of being without flaws or without defects, means perfectly correct. Without flaws, without defects. Peripatetic. Peripatetic means traveling from place to place. Person who is traveling from one place to another place, peripatetic. Permeability means state of being penetrable or allowing passage. Permeable means you allowing something to move, to come across. So state of being penetrable or allowing passage or allowing movement. Perspicacity, keenness of perception or understanding. Good understanding. Perspicacity, keenness of perception or understanding. Good understanding. Pertinacity, persistence or determination in achieving a goal. Means pertinacity, persistence means continuity, strong determination in achieving a goal. Pertinacity. So persistence and pertinacity is required to achieve any large goal. Pessimist, one who look always at the dark side of things. Pessimist. Philanthropist, one who loves mankind. Philanthropy, love for mankind. Philatelist, one who collects postage stamps. Philately, the collection and study of postage stamps. Philology, philo means language, logy study. Philology, the study of languages. Phobia, extreme or irritational fear of or aversion to something. Phobia means fear, extreme fear or aversion to something. Hydrophobia, etc., like phobia, light phobia. So these are the terms we are using when there is a fear towards something. Plight means condition, difficult or dangerous situation. Plight, difficult situation, poor situation, dangerous situation. Pluralism, acceptance of and respect for diversity. Accepting something and respecting for differences, for diversity. Poise means graceful and balanced behavior. Poise means graceful, person is having graceful, powerful, balanced behavior. Poise. Polarity, state of having two opposite or contradictory aspects. Polarity means having two opposite or contradictory aspects. Looking at both the aspects, opposite aspects or contradictory aspects, state of being having two aspects. Polarity. Politeness means behavior that shows respect, kindness, consideration for others. Poltroonery, cowardice, lack of courage in facing danger. Coward people. Poltroonery, cowardice, coward, lack of courage, that people, that boy or that girl is not having courage to face failure. So word is poltroonery. Poltroonery. A is poltroonery. Means A is not having courage to face difficulties or to face failures. Polyglot. Polyglot, one who knows many languages. Poly means many, glot means languages. Poly, with the word, whenever the word poly is coming, it's always meaning is poly means many. Multi also means many. Poly, many, glot languages. Pomposity, excessive self-importance or dignity. Pomposity, dignified person. Excessive self-importance, pomposity, which is required in life. Posthumous, happened after death. One book is published or any book is published or something is happened, the after death is known as a posthumous. Postmortem means an examination of a dead body. Praetor, idle or meaningless talk. Prattle means you are wasting your time in prattle. Means you're continuously talking and that talk is meaningless. So don't waste your time. Prattle. Idle or meaningless talk. Don't waste your time in prattle. Prattle means idle or meaningless talk. Precipice, steep cliff or drop off. Precipice means top off something. Prediction, predicting something. Statement about what may happen in the futures. Prediction. What may happen in the futures. Pregnancy, state of being pregnant. Prejudice, preconceived opinion that is not based on reason or experience. You're taking any prejudice opinions which without any reason or without any experience. Prejudice. Opinion that is not based on reason or experience. Preoccupation, state of being absorbed in thought or activity. Preoccupation, state of being absorbed in thought or activity. Preoccupation. Preponderance, superiority in weight, power, or importance. Preponderance means who is superior in power, in importance, and in weight. Presence, the state or fact of existing, occurring, or being present. Presumption, assumption of something or true without proof. Presumption. Without proof, you are accepting something is true, which is presumption. Primacy. Primacy means something which is a very important, being first in importance, the state of being first in importance, whether to read or to talk. So it's your primacy. Your primacy is to read, not to waste time in the word we have learned. That is what is prattle, idle or meaningless talk. Primelessness, belonging to the earliest ages. Princehood, the state or rank of being a prince. Printmaking, art of making prints from plates or blocks. Privacy, state of being free from public attention or scrutiny. Secluded life, privacy. State of being free from public attention, living in one place, in private place. Probation, period of testing or trial. Probation period. Probe, to investigate or explore thoroughly. To investigate or probe something, explore something thoroughly is known as probe. Procedure means method, set of steps or methods used to achieve a result. Procedure. Procreation, process of producing offspring. Procreation. Profession, occupation or calling. Profile, a brief summary or description. Profusion, large quantity of something, and abundance. Profusion means large quantity of something, and abundance. Prolificacy, the quality of producing many offspring or works of art. Prolificacy. Pronunciation, manner in which words are spoken. Pronunciation. Propagation, the act of spreading or extending something. Propagation, the act of spreading or extending something. You are extending something means propagating something. Sound is propagating. If you are speaking, your sound is propagating from one room to another room. Propensity, natural tendency or inclination. It is students' propensity in wasting time in useless talk. Propensity, natural tendency, natural behavior or inclination. And this time propensity is watching YouTube shorts. Propensity. Proportionality, correspondence in size or amount. Proportionality, correspondence in size or amount. Proposal, a plan or suggestion for consideration.
Propriety, conformity to accepted standards of behavior or morals. Propriety means to accepting standard of behavior or morals. Proscription, the act of forbidding something, prohibiting something, not accepting something. Proscription, prohibiting, not accepting, forbidding something. Provenance, place or origin or source. Provenance means place or origin of something, source of something. Provenience, place or origin or source. Provision, act of providing or supplying something. Provision, providing something, supplying something. Psychology, the study of mind, human behavior. Purity, the state of being pure or free from any contamination. Putrefaction, decay or decomposition. Putrefaction, decay or decomposition after death or dying of anything. Puzzle, something that is difficult to understand or solve. Puzzle. Pyromania, an obsessive fascination with fire or setting fires. Pyromania, an obsessive fascination with fire or setting fires. Quackery, a practice of pretending to have medical knowledge or skills. Quackery, wrong practice of providing that you are having that skills, but not having that skills. So quackery, practice of pretending to have medical knowledge or to have specific skills, but you are not having. So that word is quackery. Qualification, requirement or restriction for participation. That requirement, eligibility is required. Rebel rouser, someone who incites or stirs up a group of people. Rebel rouser. Rebel rouser, someone who incites or stirs up a group of people. Radiation, energy transmitted through space in the form of waves or particles, and radiation do not require medium, such like solar radiation. It does not require radiation. Energy and it does not require any medium. Just like solar radiation means energy is transmitted through space in the form of waves or particles. No medium is required. Rancor, long-lasting bitterness or resentfulness. So no need to keep rancor in your life, otherwise it will kill you. Long-lasting bitterness or resentfulness, rancor. Raunchiness, vulgar or obscene behavior, which is not acceptable. Raunchiness is not acceptable, vulgar or obscene behavior. Razmatch, excitement, soiness or razzle-dazzle. Excitement, razzle-dazzle. Razmaz, razmatches, excitement, soiness, false soiness. Razmatches. Reactivity, the quality of being reactive or responsive to stimuli, external stimuli. Reactivity, showing reaction. Realism, representation of things as they are in reality. Realism means something is in reality. Reasonableness means fairness and logic in decision making. The decision is logic, right, fair. Rebellion, an act of defiance or resistance against authority, not accepting authority. Rebelling, an act of defiance or resistance against authority. Recluse, one who retires from society to live a solitary life, to live in a place where, in a secluded place, in separate place. Recluse, one who retires from society, not living in society, but living in a place where no people is present there. A solitary life, recluse. Rectification means to correcting something. If a person has done something wrong and you have to correct it, the word should be used rectify. So rectification means to the act of correcting or making something right. Rectitudes, moral integrity or correctness. Rectitude, moral integrity or correctness. Redemption, the act of being saved or rescued from sin or evil or bad thing. Redemption, the act of being saved or rescued from sin or evil or bad things. Reflection, Reflection means you are reflecting something very seriously, you are thinking something very seriously, or consideration or contemplation, pondering. So reflection. In terms of science, is a different definition. Definition reflection is given in light. Reform, to improve or make changes to something. Reform means to do the improvement in something, to make changes, positive changes in something. Reformatory, reforming young offenders, and institutions for reforming young offenders. Refreshment, drink of food that refreshes or revitalizes. Refreshment. Regeneration means process of renewal or regrowth. Regeneration, renewable or regrowth. Regimentation, the imposition of order and discipline, especially in Army, Air Force, and Navy, defense services. Regimentation, the strict imposition of order and discipline. Regimentation. Region, any geographical area with distincting specific characteristic. Regulation, regulation means a rule or directive which is made and maintained by an authority. Regulation. Relation, the way in which two or more people or things are connected. Relation. Relief, alleviation or easing of pain or distress. Relief. Relief, alleviation or easing of pain or distress. Religion, belief in and worship of a higher power or powers. Remark, a written or a spoken comment or observation. Appreciation. Replica, exact copy or duplicate. Replica means exact copy or duplicate. Your brother is replica of yours behavior. Means exact copy or duplicate. Republic, government in which supreme power is held by the people. Resettlement, the act of settling in new place or home. Resettlement means act of settling in a new place or home. Residence, a place where someone lives or resides. Resilience, ability to recover quickly from difficult situation. If you face any problem in your life and you are able to adapt it, ability to recover quickly from that difficult situation, that word is used is resilience. You are able to adapt quickly, to recover quickly from difficult situation. Resilience. Resort, a place for improving one's health. Respectability, the word comes from respect, the quality of being respectable, worthy of respect. Resurrection means the act of rising from the dead. Is resurrection, the act of rising from the dead. Retardation means something, retardation means slow. Slowing or inhibition of progress or development. Child is not reading in school, it is child education is retarding. Retardation, slow. Reversal, change to a opposite direction or position. Reversal. Move to a, change to a opposite direction or position. Revealment, abusive or insulting language. Students, do not use revealment while talking with your peers. Revealment, abusive language, insulting language. Revealment. Revolution means a fundamental change in power or organized structure. When there is a fundamental change, not relate with science. Revolution, fundamental change in power or organizational structure. Rivalry, competition or antagonism between individual or groups. Rivalry. There is a competition between two groups. Antagonism between individual groups. Rottenness, state of decay or corruption. Rottenness in politics. state of decay or corruption. Royalty, the power or right of a monarch to rule. Royalty. Ruffianism, violent or rowdy behavior. Ruffianism, violent or rowdy behavior. Abusive or insulting language is revealment, and if a child is using ruffianism, it is also not acceptable. Ruffianism means rowdy behavior. Ruffianism. Ruffianism. Sculpture, one who carves in stones. Sculpture. Sheath, a case in which the sword is kept. Somnambulist, one who walks in one's sleep. One who walks in one's sleep is known as somnambulist, who walks while sleeping, sometime during night. Sot, one who is a habitual drunkard. Sot, it is his habit to drink. Sovereign, having supreme authority or supreme power. Stethoscope, to measure the activities of heart and lungs, an instrument. Stevedore, one who loads and unloads seeps. A stoic, one who is indifferent to pain and pleasure. A stoic. A people who is indifferent to pain and pleasure, whether he is getting pain or getting pleasure, her behavior is always same. So that people is a stoic. No reaction, whether he is in pain and pleasure, or pain and happiness. Talented means possessing skill or ability in a particular field. Tasteful, showing good taste or judgment. Taxidermy, the act of preserving skin. Dermy means skin. Taxi means preserving. Teetotaler, one who does not drink wine. Teetotaler, one who does not drink wine. Theist, one who believes in God. Theist. Tidy, neat and clean, neat and well organized. Top notch, of the highest quality or excellence. Try to be on top notch after acquiring good job. Top notch, of the highest quality or excellence. Triumphant, feeling or expressing great happiness or satisfaction. Triumphant. Trustworthy, reliable, dependable. Ultra modern, extremely modern or cutting edge. Unconventional, not following tradition or accepted practices, religious practices. Unconventional, not following tradition. Urban, polite, refined, sophisticated in manner. URBANE. Urban. Polite, refined, sophisticated in manner. URBAN. Urban is means people living in cities. And URBANE. Urban means polite, refined, sophisticated in manner. Versatiles, one who is gifted with various talents, many different talents. Versatile, good in writing, good in speaking, good in making foods, good in making friends, behavior is good, and is multitasking. That people is known as a versatile. Vivid means brightly colored, bright colored or intense. Vocal means voice or speech. Vogue means popular, trained or fashion. Volunteer, one who offers one services. Volunteer, who offers one services. Voluptuary means one who is given to the sensual pleasure of the body. Voluptuary. Warm-hearted, kind, friendly, generous. Wealthy, rich, have a great deal of money or assets. Well-spoken, articulate, eloquent in speech. A person who is very good in his speech and well-spoken, soft-spoken, and good orator means articulate or eloquent in speech. Well-spoken. Witty, clear and humorous. Clever and humorous. Witty means clever and humorous. World class, of the highest standard or quality in the world. World class. Xanthus, of the yellow color. Xiphoid, shaped like a sword. Xylographic, relating to the art of engraving on wood. Xylonic, pertaining to wood or derived from wood. Yearly, in a nimble or agile manner. Yeasty, full of life or vigor. Yeasty, full of life, full of strength, full of vigor. Yeasty. Zillion, an extremely large, indefinite number. Indefinite number, zillion. An extremely large is called zillion. Indefinite number is zillion. Ginsiferous, containing or yielding, giving zinc. Ginsiferous, zinc. What is coming na? Zinc. Ginsiferous, giving zinc, containing zinc. Zoology, zoo means animal, study of animals. Zoonotic means disease that can be transmitted from animals to humans. Zoonotic. Diseases that can be transmitted from animals to humans. So one word substitution. So one who is against the religion, heretic. One who eats human flesh, cannibal. One who lives at the same time, contemporary. One who is more than 100 years old, contrarians. One who is given to pleasure to the flesh is epicure. One who lives on others is parasite. One who is habitually drunkard, Sotopus. So these words we have learned in the previous slide already. So kindly pause these slides and write in your notebook. Write down in your notebook. Again, the same, this given, collectively given in one slides. Try to practice. It is only for practice purpose. You please practice and improve your vocabulary so that you are able to be eloquent in your speech, smart in your writings. Kindly watch the next video. If you think this video is helpful, like, share and subscribe. Be consistent for your preparation. See you in the next video.